Who's got a big mouth? Luke. Who's a loud one? Who you yelling at? Andrew?
Hi. Hi, Luke.
You yelling at Andrew? Huh?
Hey, Luke. Hey, Luke. What? What?
Who you yelling at?
Someone's mad.
Huh?
Someone's mad.
Oh my goodness. That's right.
I'm kind of sad.
Are you the
now.
boss? Huh? There's the cat. Oh my goodness. What are you doing? Oh. Ah. Who are you yelling at?
Are you yelling at me?
Huh?
Yelling. Are you yelling at me? Do you see his face?
Uh-huh.
You yelling at me? So you're yelling at me. You're yelling at me.
Oh.
Don't beat me off.
Say, I'm the boss of this house. I'm the boss.
Mommy's giving me the evil stare. Hi. Sits down. He's gonna make a good business on it. It's a good
Who you yelling at? Huh? Who you yelling at? What?
Luke. Lukey. Lukey. Lukey.
You done yelling now? No? Are you done yelling at Andrew? Man, oh man, Lukey.
Just so happy.
Hi, handsome man. Lukey.
Hi, Luke. You done yelling?
What are you doing?
Oh, not again.
What? There's a cat. Where's the cat?
There's a kitty.
Lukey.
He's mad. You mad?
Oh my goodness.
Say
Wait. Lukey, who you yelling at? You mad? Are you? Lukey, hey. Order in the court.
You mad?
Luke. Order in the court. That's right.
You tweet off. He is just mad.
This is the second day of Luke doing this. He did this yesterday with Daddy.
We should send this into AFV. We should. Why not?
What's the dog say?
What's the dog say, Luke?
I see Daddy pulling up. Are you gonna be Mr. Mad for Dada?
This is gonna be funny.